Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I want to do a quick video with first thing an announcement, and then second thing to show you how to do a 3D NFT in Magic Eden and SoulScan. So what's the announcement? The big news is that we reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you very much everyone for your support and for subscribing to the channel. That means a lot. And to celebrate that, I want to give away some 3D NFTs to you guys and to the holders of my collection. So I'm going to do a big free drop event next week, Saturday at 7 p.m. GMT, where 20 3D Titan dogs will be available to mint. So if you have a Solana address, drop it in the comments below so you can have a whitelist for this drop next week. You might have seen them on Twitter. I've shared a few links and in the Discord as well, and I have them here all prepared. So basically like this 3D version of the 2D NFT, like different poses, different weapons, and so they're all unique combination of colors and a pose. So yeah, pretty much all that, and then the group picture for the collection. And from that, I also prepared the GLB files, so the 3D models, but I'll show you that right away in this second part. So let's have a look at the model in Blender. So that was a commission. All right, let's switch and put the background. Yeah. So, so I knew I wanted to do a 3D model for the 1,000 subscribers, and I was talking to one of the members of the Discord server, and he mentioned he can do 3D models and is looking for work. So Meta Prince from Twitter, and we met on Discord, did this model for me. So there was not the back here, and the pose was a little different. So I modified it to fit what I needed, and then I made a whole lot of color variations and poses and stuff. So I tweaked the model a little bit. So that's the basic model, and I want to show you just the export as a GLB file. So here in export, you can use this format. And then I tweaked things around because there's different parts that didn't show in the model, but I want to include like visible and renderable, and then I want to do the punctual lights and custom properties, and then in the geometry I want to apply modifiers. So that was like an important thing for this part here that didn't render. All right, and once you do that, you get this this file here, GLB. Yeah, let's not save. And then if you open something like Babylon Viewer or GLT Viewer, this one. So both will work, but this one is the one used by Magic Eden and SoulScan, the GLTF Viewer. I'll put it in the description. Then if you just drag and drop your GLB file into the viewer, you'll get a version of the model here. I'll try with several ones. And everything's rendered, the pipes as well, because they were not at first. All right. All right. And so I'll put that in the description so you can check it out. So I want this in Magic Eden and in SoulScan, basically. All right. So how do we do that? So we have the images and we have the GLB files, and we want to do a collection with that. Let's give it a try. So we create the assets folder like we do in a collection launch, and here let's just do a try with just one Titan dog. So we don't have to do it many times. The 0, and then we'll just add the one from the collection. Boom. Assets collection, And then I prepared the JSON file for the collection because that'll be easier to have this base. Let's open that with Visual Studio Code. So this is the basic one. So you have the name, symbol, the image refers to the name of the image, and yeah, the seller fee, and etc. All right, let's duplicate this, and to make the zero.json, and then here we want to do the 3D Titan dog 1, and this is Titan dog number 1 of Jrej 3D Titan dogs. All right, the attributes I'll fill in later, but basically in this part, in the files, sorry, the image should be 0, and here's 0 as well. We're going to add an extra file here. That'll be a different type. So the type will be VR instead of image PNG. And then here we'll put this should be our GLB file here. And then there's going to be as well here an animation URL. And then we'll put the path to the GLB file again here. All right, and we're missing category VR here. Okay, looks good. We're just missing the GLB file hosted somewhere. So let's do it on NFT up. I did some tests with Shadow Drive as well. It works quite well, but just for this video, I'll use the NFT up because it's easier. Let's do GLB files, and then just upload this one to 0. Didn't work? Right. All right, and I get a path here, and it's going to be the this/0.glb. All right, let's try it out. It's probably going to ask me to download it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, back to the JSON file. We can add that here. And then I'm just missing a tiny thing. So if we look at we can always double check on how other collections did it. So we can do the same thing. Let's just go have a look at the metadata of this project that uses 3D NFTs. I think we're missing something after the URL. Yes, you can add external GLB after the path. Here after animation URL, external GLB, and here as well. Okay, I think we're good. So we have an image that is 0.png, and then an animation URL. And then here we have the image again, 0.png, and then the VR file. Okay, looks great. I think we're done here. Collection hasn't moved. That's good. Let's close that. That's as well. And then so we have our assets folder with everything we need. We just need a config file. So let me just grab it from here so we don't start over. And we'll have a look at it to make sure it's all correct. We can remove the whitelist. No hidden settings. This is we're going to upload to our weave, so for the images, so that's good. This is the 3D Titan dogs, and then there's just one. And then price, yes, it's just for the test. And here I put 700 in the files. All right, that looks good for the config. And then just we can open a terminal here and do the Solana. I'll just check I'm on the devnet config get. So devnet, and I'm using the devnet wallet. And let's go have a look at the balance, see if I have enough. I have almost 9, so we're good. And we can do sugar launch. So it's uploading the 2 images, the collection and the 0.png, and then it's creating the candy machine. And we can have a look at it on Solanize. I'm not sure we're gonna see the 3D NFTs with this, but let's see. All right, we just see like the one NFT. You can see everything's correct. Let's mint this one. So we can do sugar mint, just to mint the one. And since I have my DevNet wallet in as a config, that's the wallet we're just gonna show. All right, let's close that. We actually don't need it. And then we can look into the wallet. Now we should have received the one NFT that is minted. Not yet. Yes, that's showing. So there's one that should be for the collection, the Titan dogs here. All right. Probably missed something with the metadata. Should say 3D Titan dogs, but that's all right. And then we have the one NFT that we minted. So obviously in the wallet, it's not loading or loading very slowly because my files I can tell are not optimized. So it's about six megabytes. So it might be a little too much for the wallet. I'll have to check that. But if you go to SolScan, then they do show in the thumbnail here. So make sure your files are optimized. Less than a megabyte will be optimal. That's what I've seen from other projects. And here you can see that it is showing in the thumbnail. So I'll just optimize the files a little better so they show in the wallet as well. All right. So that is it for this video. A quick video about 3D NFTs. I'll show you the metadata again if you're interested in doing something like that. So there's two fields to add. There was the animation URL with the URL of your GLB file, and then there's this file here with the type VR, and then the link to the GLB file again. I'll change the category here as well. So that was it for the 3 NFT. If you want to have one of these cool NFTs, so don't forget to drop your wallet address in the comments below, so I can add you to the whitelist, and you can get the whitelist token for next week's free drop. And yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. A short one, short and sweet. Thanks for watching, and thanks again for the support on this channel. Have a good weekend, guys. Bye.